Every 60 seconds, a family somewhere loses its entire fortune, not to bad investments, not to debt, but to one thing they never planned for: the transfer. That is it. Meanwhile, the richest families in the world have been passing wealth down for centuries, using just 3 strategies. You're going to learn all 3 today. This is not a casual conversation. This is your wake-up call. The information you are about to receive is a closely guarded playbook, a set of rules that separates the enduring from the forgotten. Pay close attention. The details matter more than you can possibly imagine. You need to listen. This is not theory. It is a playbook. If you do not act, your money will disappear. You will watch it go. Lawyers will take most of it. Taxes will take most of it. You will see your name on a bill. You will pay. Strategy 1. The family trust. A trust is a legal box. You put your assets in the box. Your house, your stocks, your businesses, everything. Once inside, those assets are no longer technically in your name. They belong to the trust. This simple maneuver is the most powerful move you can make. The box is not part of probate. The court does not get to open it. The public does not get to see what is inside it. Your family's business stays private. Control, privacy, protection. It is the foundation of your entire plan. You choose the rules. You are the architect of your legacy. You decide when your heirs get money. You can distribute it in stages, perhaps at ages 25, 30, and 35. You can set strict conditions. You can link distributions to achievements, like graduating from college or starting a business. This structure protects the money from an heir's potential creditors. Strategy 2. Strategic life insurance. Life insurance is not charity. It is a tool. It is a powerful, strategic financial instrument. The ultra-rich use it to insure the key people in their family and their businesses. A sudden death can sink a family if there is no immediate cash on hand. Assets like real estate or a family business are illiquid. You cannot use a building to pay the tax man. You need cash. A well-structured life insurance policy provides that cash, instantly, when it is needed most. It is a financial fire extinguisher for life's most devastating events. A life policy pays out fast, often within weeks. The death benefit is almost always tax-free. This is critical. It is a massive injection of pure liquidity into the estate. This money means you do not have a forced sale of assets. The insurance payout gives the estate the money it needs to pay estate taxes, to settle debts, to cover mortgages, and to pay the legal costs associated with settling your affairs. The Golden Goose Rule: never touch the principal. Strategy 3. Invest the principal. Live on growth. Mindset shift that preserves fortunes for centuries. Don't spend the main pile of money. Never touch the principal. That core wealth is sacred. Protect it. Invest it conservatively. Spend only the returns. Spend only the growth. Spend only the income the principal generates. The Golden Goose Rule: live on the eggs, never kill the goose. This discipline makes wealth last forever. It is the engine of perpetual prosperity. Section 5. The Unbreakable Formula. The Trinity of Generational Wealth. You now have the 3 parts. They are not separate ideas. They fit together like the gears of a fine watch, each one driving the next in a perfect repeating cycle. This is the system. This is the blueprint. The trust is the vault that protects the assets from courts and creditors. The insurance is the cash that replenishes the estate after taxes and expenses. The investments are the engine that grows the protected principal for the next generation. It is a closed loop of preservation and growth. This is the formula. Let us say it again, so it sinks in. Trust protects it. Insurance replenishes it. Investments grow it. This is the Trinity. This is the core doctrine of the world's wealthiest families. One piece without the others is a plan with a fatal flaw. A trust with no liquidity is a locked box with no key. Insurance without an investment plan is just a payout, waiting to be spent into oblivion. An investment plan without a trust is a fortune waiting to be seized by the courts. You need all 3, working in harmony. Let's look at a small example. A family has a $10 million estate. Without a plan, The founder dies. The estate goes to probate, taking months and costing hundreds of thousands in fees. There is no insurance, so the heirs are forced to sell a beloved property at a low price to pay the estate taxes. Once they get the remaining money, they spend the principal, and the entire fortune is gone in a single generation. Now imagine the other path. The trust keeps the estate out of court, private and secure. A life insurance policy pays immediate tax-free cash to handle all expenses. Like this video, comment and subscribe to The Money Hangover for more financial secrets.